We're gonna do Turo's favorite exercise. Preacher curls. These are the preacher curls. So there's obviously a couple different ways to do them. Inside, outside, free side. We're gonna go for the narrow grip here. With the narrow grip, we personally like this one because the closer your elbows are in together, notice that the shoulder, elbow, and knuckles are all in a straight line, so we get that peak stretch of the bicep. So when you're coming down, you can really see that belly. Big stretch, big stretch. And he's coming down not to a place where he's hyperextending his elbow, but we like to call it like almost like a micro bend. Like you're not coming down and like keeping it so that the arm's not fully getting the stretch. He's coming right the way down there to the full stretch, and then squeezing and engaging the top. Time under tension, the fucking forearm, sit. That's gonna be your preaching curl, guys. Shit. Yeah,